Hi everyone and welcome to Electric Design. Today we'll be electrifying the Aston Martin Vantage. The current Aston Martin Vantage is the predecessor of one of the most beautiful cars of the modern era. The new generation brings a fresh design approach by the financially struggling British manufacturer, which probably could not have managed to develop this all-new model without the help of Mercedes, which provided crucial elements such as the engine and the electronics. I personally think the Vantage has a beautiful shape with a couple of major unattractive details that turns me off. My main issue with the Vantage is the front-end design in general and the massive grille in particular, which lost the elegance and the sharp feel like in many previous Astons. Actually, the grille in the coupe version is one of the most unpleasant grille design to pop out lately. Anyway, the Vantage is an ICE vehicle, which means it's highly pollutive and bad for the environment, so let's give it a fresh electrified look. With that in mind, I'll have to make sure it looks Astonish enough as well as an electric model. My goal here is to quickly redesign the Vantage in order to make it look like an electric model based on the original design philosophy and not to come up with an all-new design. With no gas engine at the front, there is no need for a big grille to allow air to go through and cool the absent engine. Instead, I will make a sharp and pronounced grille-like form while keeping the MAZDA's shape, an heritage symbol for the British automaker. It's important to notice that the Vantage based on the design of the Aston Martin DB10 from the last James Bond movie. The design didn't drop my jaw back then, and instead of talking about Bond's new ride, everyone was all about the beautiful villain car, the Jaguar CX-75. A major sign that the Vantage design is going to be a bit vague in comparison with the massive amount of luxury sports car flooding the market. My focus here is to make the front much more aggressive while enhancing the luxury and desired appeal, with sharp and focused elements, like the thin chrome accents from the grille. I'll also add some more strong lines, creases and shapes for more imposing and empowering look. Another major issue I have with the car is the side air vent, which have an inorganic shape with a strange and indecisive silhouette, a major blow for me. This element used to be one of the most pleasant graphics in Aston for years and evolved amazingly in the current DB11. And they even got it right in the DB10, Bond's car of course, but clearly something went wrong along the way. So I deleted the black plastic in order to make the side profile sleeker and sharp thanks to the chrome accent at the front of the shoulder line, like in many Astons before. The next thing I want to improve on is the styling of the airflow elements. I added an air intakes in both sides of the front bumper, creating a directional form enhancing the attackish, slopey front end, while raising the front shoulder line with a muscular and confident line, combined with a sharp and curvy front splitter, creating a great fluency and tightening the front end design features altogether for a powerful yet elegant look. I also created a pass-through for air to channel beneath the hood and discharge a bit farther back in the bonnet, for downforce of course, like in the BMW i8 and the Jaguar I-Pace. The last element I want to improve is the tame headlights. I like the sleeper feel, but I'll add some more sharpness for a better distinct look. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, an electric Vantage. Who said electric cars are boring? There's a ton of electric designs coming your way, so stay tuned, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.